Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix unable to authorize on TikTok, an iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad, you're facing this issue that whenever you try to log in with your TikTok account, you might see the error which is unable to authorize. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try to check your network connection, that you have a stable and strongest network connection, and you have to also make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. Or you can try to switch between your Wi-Fi cellular data to get better results. Then open your app store here. Just tap on the search option and search for TikTok. You just have to make sure that your TikTok app is updated. There is no any pending updates for your TikTok app. If you find, just try to update your app. So after updating, your issue might have been fixed. Or you can also try to offload or reinstall the app. So just keep a long press on the TikTok app, and from here just tap on delete tab or remove app, then tap on delete, then tap on delete option again. So it will completely uninstall your app. You can also try to offload your app. Just go to your settings here, go to channel, go to iPhone storage, just look for TikTok here, and you just have to try to offload your app. You can also try to delete app from here. So once you have offloaded or deleted, you have to reinstall the app, and after reinstallation, if there will be any bug or any malware with your TikTok app, it will be fixed in this app, so you will not get the issue again. Once you have done, you have to make sure that the verify your login information you're trying to use to login are correct. Your Gmail or your mail, your phone number or your password are not incorrect. If you find an issue, just try to fix that. So once you have done, you have to reinstall the app, and after reinstallation, I recommend you have to try to make a forced restart with the iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do this, quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo, and once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. Once your phone has been restarted, just unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed and you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.